Hi, it's John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Rohit. Rohit has been trading with us from 16th of April 2021 up until the present date of review, 9th of June 2021. Rohit has got a daily gain of 0.17%, a monthly gain of 5.05%, and a drawdown of 4.26%. Rohit is now managing 30,000 US dollars, and this is his journey. Rohit has hit a drawdown in between April, another drawdown in between May, but overall you can see his account has grown steadily. Rohit has had a total of 69 trades, and out of the 69 trades taken, Rohit has won 56 out of 69, which represents 81% gain, and lost 13 out of 69, which represents 19%. So overall, Rohit has done very well in achieving his 10% by winning 81% of his trades. Looking at the total amount of pips taken to achieve this is 375 pips. So this is a very good attempt, and congratulations, Rohit, on achieving that. Let's look at a bit of your history, what you've traded. You can see you're trading the pound pairs, the pound AUD you've traded quite a few times, and we can see your pip gain is on average between 7 pips to 40 pips, and this is where we see your significant gain, so congratulations on that. Also, I would like to point out it's always advisable, common practice, to always use a stop loss, because a stop loss will always help you not get into a bad situation where you're emotionally driven by your trades. Also, it keeps you in control of your trade, it keeps discipline, and also it keeps your exposure limited, and it will reduce your losses significantly. So this will help you increase your win rate. So it's just something great to take on board. Also, working on your psychological mindset will also help as well, because having that psychological advantage will always stop you from over trading, getting in a trade too early, or getting into a trade too late, and following a consistent trading plan, which should help as well. Looking at your monthly analytics, in April when you started, you were down by 0.06%. Then in May you came back stronger and gained 7.53%. And in June, which is still ongoing, you got 2.8%. So looking at from the first 3 months of joining us, you've actually done very well and achieving 81% success rate, doing it while you're just only down to 19% with your errors in terms of your trades that have not worked out for you. So congratulations on that. And just out of curiosity, let's look at the pairs you traded, and as we can see, looking at the pairs you've traded, you've done very well with significant pairs like the Euro Australian dollar. You made 152 pips on that, and that's your best pair to date, followed by the pound New Zealand dollar, followed by the pound US dollar, and also followed by the US dollar yen and the pound Australian dollar. You're not really successful trading the Euro Japanese yen, so I always recommend you stick to the pairs that bring you the significant amounts in. So as we can see from here, the top pairs you made most of your pips on are the Euro Australian dollar, followed by the pound New Zealand dollar, and followed by the pound AUD. So sticking to what you know will definitely increase your strike rate, and congratulations on what you've achieved. This is a very good account, and I definitely look forward to seeing your account when you're managing 60,000 US dollars. So congratulations and well done on your achievement.